Hey, what's up folks? In this project, we're 3D printing a dragon lamp. This dragon was inspired by Game of Thrones and actually has the Night King writing on its back. It was designed by the 3Demon team, and it's a very detailed model with a high polygon count. It comes as a kit with different versions, and the flame is hollow and designed to fit over a light bulb. We're using the Circuit Playgun Express to light this up. With its onboard NeoPixel LEDs, you can make this look like a real flame. We split the model into smaller pieces so that we could 3D print them without any support material. You can change the colors or program your own animations with CircuitPython. The Learn Guide is a great place to start, and there's tons of example code for the Circuit Playgun Express. Links are in the description. The flame is printed in translucent filament to better diffuse the LEDs. A large brim helps keep the parts in place, so we definitely recommend it for getting good adhesion to the bed. We glued the parts together using super glue and a fine tip. This gives you finer control for those smaller pieces. We used a few pairs of helping hands to keep the parts in place while they dried. These have ball joints so you can position it in whatever orientation you need. With the wingspan at this scale, those helping hands really did help out on this one. You can power the Circuit Playground over USB, so you can plug it into the wall adapter or a USB hub. The flame has a little slit on the back for a USB cable. The dragon's center of gravity works much like one of those balancing bird sculptures. The mouth has a little opening and it just fits over the tip of the flame, so you really don't have to glue it, so it's easy to take it off, but you wouldn't want it to fall off. We think this is a really nice model, and we hope to see folks use more lighting in their projects. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more projects from Adafruit.